Meaning of importer.
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 Importer. The term importer refers to a person or company that brings goods or services into a country from another country for the purpose of trade. The importer is responsible for complying with all relevant legal requirements, including obtaining necessary permits and paying any applicable customs fees and taxes. The primary role of an importer is to identify and source the desired products from foreign markets, negotiate pricing and delivery terms with suppliers, and manage logistics and documentation related to the transportation of goods. Overall, importers play a critical role in facilitating international trade and enhancing the availability of goods in local markets.